Hey, did you follow the guide in pausing your fabric capacities that you have for development at nights and weekends? But you want to give someone the ability to restart it so that if it's paused and it's not running, they can go in and do turn it on and do something with it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to give those abilities to someone. Let's dive into it. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. But this is really easy, right? So for the example I have here, I've got a developer who's working on building out a DBT demo job for me, right? We want to show DBT how it's working. I say, hey, go ahead, head into my demo tenant, get in, build this all out. And he said, Chris, but the demo's paused. I'm like, oh, well, just unpause it. And he said, well, I'm not an admin. I'm like, oh, I got you. All right, so don't worry, I got him. I'm going to take care of him so he can unpause it at will. So it's very simple. I head over to Portal right here, portal.azure.com, right? And then I click on the fabric capacity. In this case, it's my dog capacity. All right. I go into the dog capacity and I've got this access control I am right on the side over here. I'm going to select that. And here's where I'm going to be adding some role assignments. Okay. I could go in and check access, manage all that stuff. I don't care about any of that. All I'm going to do is add a role assignment. Now, don't be dumb like I was and futilely look through all of these job roles going, what the heck are all these? This is stuff you don't have to worry about. All you care about is this guy right here, the privileged administrator role. Click on that. You're going to see there's owner, contributor, and then some other roles that are down here. I'm going to zoom in here. Owner gives full access to everything, inclusive of the ability to assign other people to do stuff in there, or a contributor in this case, which is what I want, which will allow him to pause and unpause it. Like, I don't want him to be able to assign other people to this role. So I'm going to give him contributor access. So I'm going to do is I'm going to select contributor. I'm going to say next. It's going to say, do you want to use a group or a service principal? I'm going to select my members. And now in this case, I got two choices. I can do his name, Rob. Okay, Rob, I can go ahead. I can add both of his names into here. Or, oh, I guess I can't do that. Silly me. Okay, I've got that. I've select that. I've got both of his IDs, both his internal and his external. I'm going to then go to review and assign. Going to see what these are. I'm going to say review and assign. Again, these two role assignments are going to get added into Rob. And now when I go into review or view access to this resource, I'm going to see that myself, I've got the owner contributions, and then I've got my managed identity here, Scooby, that maintains this and pauses it nights and weekends. And then both of my Robs got access to this. Both his internal user and his external user have access to it. Pretty simple, huh? Nice, easy peasy, right? All right, that's how you add a contributor to a fabric capacity so that you can pause and unpause the content. Um, as an individual, this is super useful when it comes to adding people in. Now, it's always better to start with an AD group and you add the AD group in, but in this case, I'm just doing one person and I don't want to have a whole bunch of people in. So, uh, let me know your thoughts. Was this easy for you? I thought it was pretty easy. Hopefully, if you have challenges or you want to send this over to your Azure admins, I'm like, hey, add me as the contributor onto this dev fabric capacity. Send them this link, okay? And if you want to see the actual walkthrough of how to get Scooby out there pausing and unpausing your capacity, watch I've got a link to the video down below. Other than that, you have the best day ever. Peace. Wow. All right. I get this is a lot, right? There's a ton that can go into this. It's not just doing some analytics anymore. We got a whole lot of work. If you need help, head over bakertilly.com/digital. click on I need some help, say Chris Wagner, help me. I'll get a message right away. We'll get out there and we'll help you out. But if you think you can do this stuff and I got faith in you, check out this video and this video. They should help you. You got this.